Pythagoras theorem. Here we have taken a right angle triangle where this is the perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. The first square whose side is perpendicular, so its area is perpendicular square. The second square whose side is base, so its area is base square. The third and the biggest square whose side is hypotenuse, so its area is hypotenuse square. As we can see, the beads are filled in these two smaller squares, and when we rotate it towards the hypotenuse side, it occupies all the area in the bigger square. So here we can say that the area of the bigger square is equal to the sum of the areas of these smaller squares. So we can say that the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of perpendicular square plus base square. Hence, Pythagoras theorem is proved. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to our maths lab where we have different models made by my fellow friends. This is a beautiful model which helps us to differentiate between relation and function. This is an interesting model which helps us to learn the trigonometric identities. This is a working model which helps us to prove the Pythagoras theorem. This is a wonderful model which helps us to learn the properties of circle. This geoboard helps us to understand the congruency, area, perimeter of different shapes such as triangle, square, and these two wonderful models help us to understand the three-dimensional geometry. Here we can easily classify how the space is divided into 8 equal parts, which are known as octants. This model helps us to know the values of different trigonometric ratios at different angles. This model helps us to learn the formulas of derivatives. This dynamic model helps us to know that when the midpoints of squares are joined, we again get a midpoint.
Square.
This beautiful model helps us to learn that when midpoints of parallelogram are joined, then we again get a parallelogram. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Javed and I am Reem. Today I am lift the glass with the balloon. First of all, we have to go in a matrix and put the balloon like this. Wait for a minute. So this is the section of here.
Friends, myself is Kriti, Tanya, Anshika. Today we are going to perform an experiment based on air pressure. So we take a bottle filled with water also. Now we are going to blow a balloon. Now we are going to attach this balloon on the top of the bottle. Now we have attached the balloon on the top of the bottle.
So you can see it shows air exerts pressure.
Thank you so much. Greetings everyone. So today I with my class 4B will show you an experiment on tooth decay. He is my partner Shisham. So let's start. Now this is a chalk made of calcium and this is coke. We will put this chalk in the coke. So now you can see that it is being dissolving in Coca-Cola. This happens to our teeth also, as our teeth are made of calcium, and when these things happen to our teeth, they causes tooth decay and cavities. So now you can see that these teeth are the teeth that have cavities. Thank you. Greetings everyone.
Myself Advika.
Devika.
Nitya.
Myself Imani.
So today we are going to do an experiment. Pepper floats on water.
some talcum powder. You can use any powder. Now when we are putting the soap on the powder is breaking at many places, like it extends. So now my friend, greetings everyone. Myself Pavni.
Myself Himani. Today we are showing the soil erosion.
We are putting water in it. Soil mixed in it. And third.
Why this happen? Because as the roots of the trees bind the soil particles firmly to the ground, so we should plant more trees